You know that sinking feeling when you realize a silo's running empty and production stops? Or spending hours manually checking stock levels across multiple silos, never quite sure if your numbers are accurate? Meet the LMI Silo weighing system with the LS4S instrument. This isn't just another weighing system, it's your 24/7 inventory manager. Automatically monitors weights whether you're there or not, handling everything from 1 to 300 tons with incredible accuracy. The best part? You can transfer all this data to your PC via Wi-Fi or memory stick, so you always know exactly what you have. Low installation costs, user-friendly, and built to last with waterproof and rust-proof load sensors and a 12-month warranty. You can even monitor up to 10 silos simultaneously. No more guesswork. No more surprise stockouts. No more manual checking. Just reliable, accurate data that keeps your operation running smoothly. Finally, stock management that works as hard as you do.